Hi, my name is Blessing Asulime from Nigeria, Warri Delta State. Acting is my passion. I will play two characters, Cookie Lion in Empire series and Scandal, Olivia Pope. General, you need to reconsider. Yes, I know she is your wife. I know she's the mother of your children, but this woman is strong. She's powerful. Women like Caroline don't just go back to their hidings. They fight back. They strike back. And you know, even here in your country, they love hero. People fight. They stand up for the hero. And I am making it my own personal mission to be behind them all over the world. So you had better choose between me being your opposition or your career at stake. So now, which would you prefer? Wait. You know she's lying. You come to my house last week Wednesday and give me a rose. And next, you propose to Aneka. Or do you think I would come to your family get-together dressed like this? You know what? Congratulations. And for you, Aneka, this is an